Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best pole saw Greenworks, the V-Modest 2in1 Cordless Pole Saw. This versatile tool combines the power of an 8-inch and 6-inch chainsaw with the convenience of a cordless, extendable pole saw, making it a must-have for anyone tackling tree trimming and branch cutting. Right out of the box, this pole saw impresses with its 2-in-1 design. You get a mini chainsaw for low-level cutting tasks and a detachable extension pole that turns it into a full-length pole saw, allowing you to reach high branches effortlessly. The telescopic pole is adjustable from 4 feet all the way up to 9 feet, extending your reach up to 15 feet if you're about 6 feet tall. This plug-in pole design is unique because it maintains stability and prevents wobbling, a common issue with other telescopic poles that taper too thin. Powering this tool is an upgraded brushless motor rated at 880 watts. Compared to traditional brushed motors, it offers a longer lifespan, runs quieter, and requires less maintenance. Plus, this motor is more efficient, boasting a 90% increase in output power and a 70% reduction in energy consumption, while tripling the work efficiency. This means you can cut through branches quickly and smoothly without worrying about the motor overheating or stalling. Another standout feature is the adjustable cutting angle at the top of the pole saw. It rotates from 0 to 180 degrees, allowing you to customize the angle for precise cuts, especially in tricky spots. This flexibility enhances your control and reduces the strain on your arms and back. The V-Modest pole saw comes with two 21-volt, 4000 mAh batteries, giving you plenty of runtime. The batteries include multiple overload protections for safe and reliable use. When fully charged, which takes just 1 to 2 hours thanks to the fast charger, you can expect up to 6 to 8 hours of continuous work time, perfect for larger jobs or extended projects without frequent interruptions. Maintenance is straightforward with the built-in lubrication system. Just add some oil and press the transparent oil cover gently to automatically lubricate the chain while working, which reduces wear and prolongs the life of the chain. If the chain loosens, adjusting tension is easy thanks to the tensioning knob, no tools required. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The pole saw features a double safety lock, safety baffle, and an anti-slip handle for secure grip. The reinforced rod and widened handguard add extra protection. Plus, it comes with gloves, a shoulder strap for comfort, and safety goggles to keep your eyes protected. Weighing only 7.7 pounds, this tool is surprisingly lightweight considering its power and versatility. Its compact design and ergonomic build make it easy to handle for both professionals and home users alike. In summary, the V-Modest 2in1 Cordless Pole Saw is a powerful, efficient, and flexible tool designed to handle all your tree trimming needs. Its brushless motor, long-lasting batteries, and smart design features make it stand out as one of the best cordless pole saws available. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth product insights. See you in the next video.